Mail. Pick the type of email you want to create. You can pick between regular, plain text, or template. Enter your internal email name and click Begin. Click on Add Recipients in the To section. Select the audience you wish to send your mail to. In the Send to drop-down menu, select the segments and tags you wish to target with your mail. In the Do Not Send to menu, you also have the option to remove a specific segment or tag from the recipient list. To save your preferences, click on Save. Add your recipients from the list or go to Import Contacts to upload new ones. Click here to learn how to import new contacts in Mailchimp. To proceed, in the From option, specify the sender details. In the Sender option, specify the subject and preview text of your email. In the Send Time option, pick the time you wish to send out your email. In the Content option, design your email. To add a social post to your email, you can connect to Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and/or Instagram. Pick the settings and tracking details for your email and hit Send at the top right corner of your screen.